In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a shape in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a shape, open its settings, choose a fill color, fine-tune transparency, and confidently apply your changes. First, let's get a shape onto your canvas. In the Express editor, head over to Elements, then choose Shapes. You can either draw a basic shape or pick one from the library. Click to add it, or drag it onto the canvas. Don't worry too much about its exact size or position right now. You can adjust that later. What matters is that the shape is selected so you can access its controls. With the shape selected, look to the left side Properties panel. Depending on your layout, you may also see a small context bar near the shape. Here, you'll find the key options you'll use. Border, sometimes called stroke, fill, and opacity. It helps to remember that fill affects the color inside the shape, while border controls the outline around it. If you don't see these options, click the shape once more to make sure it's actively selected. Now it's time to change the fill. In the Fill section, click the Color box. This opens the color picker or palette. You can choose from preset swatches, explore the color spectrum, or use the eyedropper if available to match colors already in your design. As you experiment, keep an eye on how the fill interacts with your overall layout. Darker fills can create strong focal points, while lighter tones feel more subtle and airy. If you want the shape to feel lighter or to sit over images without blocking them, adjust the opacity. You'll find a simple slider in the same area. Lowering the opacity makes the fill semi-transparent, which is great for overlays, labels on photos, or adding depth without overwhelming the background. Try small adjustments until the shape complements your design. Once you've chosen a fill color and set the opacity, confirm or apply the change. In many cases, Adobe Express applies these updates instantly, so you'll see the result as you go. From here, feel free to rotate or scale the shape to get the composition just right. Rotating can add energy or alignment, and scaling helps balance the shape with your text and images. That's it. You added a shape, opened its properties, set the fill color, adjusted opacity, and applied your changes. With these basics, you can create consistent, polished designs quickly and confidently in Adobe Express.